Thrive City by P1 Perfection, an emblem of identity, a place of urban settlement, a place for your comfort, a perfect integration and vegetation of humankind technology, a place of serenity. With a beautiful site, Thrive City by P1 Perfection is located at Monastery Road, the heart of Shangotedu, with a title CFR. Within the axis of Thrive City by P1 Perfection are Novara Mall Shoprite, Sky Mall, Crown Estate, Meta Ecclesia Monastery, and other notable landmarks. With a major kind technological advancement, Thrive City by P1 Perfection is associated with modern infrastructures like CCTV camera, swimming pool, gym house, 247 power supplies, among other wonderful amenities. One beautiful thing about this estate is that it has an accessible beach for your comfort and relaxation anytime, any day. For more information on how to own a service plot or more, call the numbers below.